Hi everybody, Gary Williams here for Toolbarn.com's Barn Banter, and I'm going to bevel with you. We've got some cool, I misspoke. I'm going to level with you. We've got some cool beveling tools to show you, and you'll want to see these. I'm on the level about that, so come right back. I'm here with Terry from Metabo, and Terry, you brought a couple of beveling devices here.
I did.
And I'm not even going to attempt to talk about why beveling and why these devices. I'm going to let you do that, okay?
Sure.
Makes it easier for me. So
absolutely. So in the metal trades, when you weld plates together or pipe together, you want to put a bevel on the metal. I've got an example here that shows the bevel on some steel plates. And with this bevel and a mating plate, the bevel creates a place where the weld pool can accumulate to attach the two plates together. It's very simple. Actually very simple.
Strengthens the weld and all that.
It strengthens the weld. Now beveling is typically done with an angle grinder or maybe torch cut. With an angle grinder you get burn spots and high spots and low spots. With a torch you typically get the same thing. You can burn the metal, you get high spots, low spots. You also get a very rough edge. And with the new beveling tools you have an almost perfect edge on the bevel that allows you to come in and right away start your weld. There's no further cleanup needed. It improves the quality of your weld. It improves the amount of rework you have to do, or lessens the amount of rework you have to do.
Okay.
So it's they're really nice tools.
So let's get into these tools just a little bit. Tell me what you got here.
Sure. Well, this is our what we call our KFM 16-15. This is the KFM PB 15-10. They work very similarly, and I'll go into some of the features that are common on both tools. First of all, for the depth setting, we have almost a micrometer type setting that locks in on the top. Each little click that I'm turning there is 4/1000ths of an inch deeper into the steel. So you can get very precise on the depth or the width of the bevel that you want to get to. The nice feature on these is that you can set your angle anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, which is really nice. On the front here, you'll see that there is an angle gauge. You have 2 screws on the front, there's 2 screws on the back. You just set the angle of the plates on how they're going to approach the steel. If this is the steel, you can set that angle anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees. The advantage of that is against competitive tools, typically you have to change out the cutting head to get a different angle.
Right.
You have a different style plate, but you change the cutting head. And that cutting head can be anywhere from $200, $300, $400. So just to change your angle, say from 45 degrees to 37.5 degrees, you have an expense you need to do, and it's time consuming to change.
Okay, so you got a lot of precision with it.
Absolutely.
And the precision
high
is good
precision,
when you're trying to weld things together.
Economical.
Yeah.
They make it very simple if you have to do multi-angles.
Okay.
Yeah, very simple to do.
And big advantage doing it with these, or we're doing it with an angle grinder. Save time, save money.
Save time,
all those things.
cleaner welds, better welds, higher quality welds in the end, a more precise bevel. Yeah, and the other thing you're not doing is affecting the temperature of the steel that you're working on the metal. Right. All the heat goes into the chips.
Okay, all right, hey, we've got more to show you. We'll be right back. We've talked about how important precision is when you're doing beveling, and you've got an attachment here for this machine that'll help you with that when it comes to pipe beveling, right?
Absolutely, yeah. These are not only meant for plate beveling, but they're also designed to bevel pipe, which is a huge application out there. There's a lot of pipe work being done.
Sure.
You know, pipelines, oil lines, you name it. They've got to bevel the pipe before they go back and weld.
Sure.
So this attachment here just follows the outside diameter of the pipe and keeps you at 90 degrees to the pipe, and you can set this to any diameter pipe you're working with. So on the KFM 16, it starts at 4-inch on the small side, but up to infinity. On the KFM 15, you can start at 2-inch diameter pipe again and work up to infinity on the diameter.
Kind of to infinity and beyond on that, right?
Infinity and beyond. So this very just simply mounts to the diameter you work with. So it starts at 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, right on up if I were to mount it to the other side.
We're back again, and this time we've got yet another cool cordless tool from Metabo. Tell me about this riveter.
This is a pop rivet gun or a blind rivet gun.
Okay.
It's our NP18 LTX BL 5.0. That's a mouthful, isn't it?
That's riveting.
So
that's a riveting.
NP tells you it's a rivet gun. It's an 18-volt platform.
Okay.
It's on our LTX brushless motor. So the brushless motor gives you high power, long life of the motor system. Great little tool. It's very well balanced. We've got a hanging system here. So most pop rivet guns are going to use it in an assembly process. It's a pneumatic. So what's the advantage here? No hoses, no compressor behind it, no need to maintain your lines. You can hang the tool. It's right there.
Right. How many rivets are you gonna place?
Well, we've got this on our 4 amp hour Lee HD battery pack, and you're gonna get about 2,000 rivets on a single charge.
2,000.
So, at least, depending on the application, but let's say it's a day or two's work.
So a lot of work, no hose to drag around, no other accessories to worry about.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. An autonomous tool right there.
Great.
It's going to work. The tool comes with 4 different nose pieces, actually 8 different nose pieces. You have 4 that have a little ball detent inside that will retain the rivet inside the tool, so if you're working down, the rivet doesn't fall out.
Okay.
And then there are 4 separate nose pieces without the retention pin inside, so if you're working overhead, the pin will then fall back into the collection container in the back side here. The collection container also doubles as a wrench. So to change out that nose piece, you want to pull the trigger, put that on there, just loosen this up. You can change out your nose piece very easily. Yeah. And just put this right back on the back end side. There we go. There we go. So the 4 nose pieces we have is for a 3/32,
Okay.
1/8 inch, and then 3/16 and 1/4 inch rivets. So each rivet has a different size mandrel. So you need a different nose piece to fit each mandrel.
Okay.
So 3/32, 1/8, 3/16, and then 1/4 inch.
Show me how it works.
Sure.
Just plant one
Sure.
of those
So we're going
for
to
me,
put this in. Okay, I'm going to let you do it.
Okay.
It's easy.
All right.
Yeah, so the rivet is in there. Just insert it into the hole.
Any one of them, right?
Anyone, pull the trigger. Done. It's that
Why?
quick. It's that quick.
I see a new career coming up.
It's that quick.
No.
Now we had the ball detent in here, so the pin is retained in there. You have to
Right,
take the pin out.
right. Okay. Cool. As easy as that.
It is as easy as that. It fits really any of our batteries. This is a 4 amp hour battery. You can put it on with an old Metabo battery. All of our tools, all of our batteries fit each other. Going back to 2009, and we guarantee in the future, all of our batteries and the tools will have the same fitting, the same connection. So, yeah.
Well, as you can see, cordless technology has come a long way with Metabo, and Metabo has taken it a long way. Now, we've got a lot more videos about Metabo equipment on our YouTube site or on Instagram, so check those out for a lot of good looks at a lot of cool tools. And, of course, you can go to Toolbarn.com when you want to buy those things, so I would suggest you do that post-haste. Who knows when they'll sell out? They could be gone tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for being with us. We hope you join us next time.
Thanks.